Hello and welcome to another update on the TLT. In this video, we only want to take a look at the shorter time frame. If you are wondering about the bigger picture, larger context, I recommend you take a look at the previous videos I uploaded here on TLT, but it would be very repetitive, so we go straight to the smaller time frame because so far there are no surprises, but I think it's time for an update because the TLT has started a small pullback, and the support area we talked about in the previous update is still unchanged. It's between $83.92 and $85.21. This is standard support for this internal pullback labeled either wave or labeled wave B or wave 2. I mean, both are possible interpretations here. I mean, obviously, this is now the stress test, given that the market could still be in the downtrend in the white scenario. Any further downside would be seen as an extension of the white third wave or a continuation. For now, however, the focus is on whether the bulls can hold this micro support area. I'll talk a little bit more about that because it is possible, due to the reaction just above the previous swing low here that formed already in October 23. So we had a not exactly reaction to that level yet, but the move down can easily be classed as a B-wave pullback in a larger B-wave corrective rally, which is not overall bullish, but can send the market higher for quite some time. So because of that, this is now a first upside reversal signal. It's where the bulls could start to take the lead. You might consider that to be a micro 5-wave move up. The pullback is quite sharp though. But that being said, on the nano level here, Elliott Wave analysis is less predictive. It's about the levels. So what we have here is a pullback into a standard support area. It's important that this low holds now at $83.30 because any break below it would invalidate the idea of a 1-2 setup to the upside, or a B setup. Okay, now a wider corrective pullback is absolutely possible, but we've now seen a reaction to the 50% retracement at $84.80. So there was a reaction there to the 50% Fibonacci level. It's normally enough to be considered complete, but because we're here on such a small time frame, it takes a little bit more evidence than just a small green candle to say some kind of a low is in. All I want to share is, we have a potential upside reversal. We didn't exactly get any breakout here above any key level, but we had a rally in potentially 5 waves on the micro level, and now this pullback will be like the stress test for the bulls. There are always 3 degrees of confirmation for a trend shift from a downtrend back into an uptrend, and the initial 5-wave move up is like the first evidence, first confirmation, not certainty, confirmation. Then the pullback into support is the second level, and then the third confirmation is a break above the initial high. So once we get a break above like $86.50, we've got all confirmation we can get, really. But it's always about cascading confirmations, right? So we will then see if the market can form this 5-wave move in yellow, larger degree. That would be better evidence. And then the wave 2, larger degree, will be a better setup. But again, we had a first upside reversal attempt. This is obviously very fragile. Trend reversals are always very, very fragile. So there are some key levels to watch. Already below $83.92. Probabilities for an upside follow through will reduce, but the true invalidation point is here, $83.30, and that doesn't mean we have to crash down below that anyway, but it would invalidate this setup. Could always mean it resets the B wave at the next support at $82.40. So yeah, still looking at a potential upside move here, and over the last 1 or 2 weeks we were following this move up. And now it's the first pullback after this move up. So this is now interesting. I'll keep you updated. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.